estate.
Peasant out, Pluto. Peasant out, Pluto.
That ARV. What's that ARV?
Purchase price for this house, all in with closing costs, was $76,500. Rehab budget was $15,000. We went over $2,900. All in, it was $91,000 and some change. I can't remember. ARV on the house is $138,900, and we're doing an owner finance. So 10% down of that can get you right on in, man. Kick off those designer shoes. And let's go on in, man. Let's go. Show you how we living. Welcome home. Basically, we did a full. I changed kitchen, counters. I did electrical. I did carpet. I did paint. I did lighting. I did fans. I did vanities. I did mirrors. I did AC units. I did air handlers. We did a lot. You know. Kitchen, you'll see in the pictures, kitchen was not like this. Holes, I believe, in the wall. This was totally different. We changed this, put the sink in here, all that. In here, this room was shot. We fixed it up, you know, painted, carpet, light fixtures, electrical. Man, plumbing behind here, because you got a bathroom in here. This is where the shower is. Put wood floor. This is official too, actually. Got it from another job. We're gonna show you that house too, Burlington. But we did our thing, man. We made it happen. All new finishes, paint, vanity, mirror, sink, toilet. We changed it all. We actually, come over here. Check this out. This is where the other bathrooms are. This area here was bad. This is the wash and dryer area. We redid all this. There was holes in the sheetrock, painted. We did all that. Here's another bathroom. Kind of the same one, kind of the same play that you saw before, just reverse sides. We got new toilet here, new vanity, same as the other side, new mirrors, new lights. All that. Bathroom fixtures cleaned up. Everything's ready to go. Welcome home. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is real serious. So y'all see the house that I just rehabbed or whatever. To be honest with you, I didn't do it out by myself. And I honestly need help from y'all. You know what I mean? As far as bird doggers, wholesalers, if you got deals, please click the link below. Shoot your deal, upload it with a Google Drive with the pictures. Make sure you got it under contract. I will have all the qualifications spelled out for you. Please send deals. I do purchase them. I do buy them. I'm not playing. I'm not joking. I'm dead serious. If you got it, I want it. Just let me see what it is. Let me see what the numbers look like. I do buy. It don't matter if it's a house or if it's a vacant lot. I do rehabs as well as new constructions. Ask about me. I'm the truth. Let's go.
Well, it definitely didn't look like this. I mean, there was holes in the wall, floor was completely gone, bathrooms were torn up. I mean, this is a complete transformation from what it was to what it is, but that's what I specialize in, just finding these deals that are nasty. But throughout the process from, you know, getting the deal done and where the numbers can make sense for them, you know, it was a smooth transaction from, you know, accepting that offer and then getting it to the closing table. Man, me and Keith talk maybe 30 minutes an hour every so often. I mean, he's always full of energy and it's fun to work with him. I'd say he's one of my best clients that I work with, and it's fun to do deals with him, especially if he's gonna bring me out to do things like this. Obviously, there's some mutual respect there, so I would say so. But Keith is always pumped up. Every time I call him, he's either really quiet because he's with his kids, or he's, you know, blowing up the mic and he's yelling in the phone, and I've got to turn it down a little bit just to understand what he's saying. But if I describe him, energetic. Only other house I've seen is his new builds. He doesn't only do from the distressed situation, he takes it from the dirt up. So obviously those houses are going to be a lot better built condition wise, but he does. Man, I think the number one thing is in real estate, you got to hustle. You always got to stay on the move. You got to keep your contacts close. You got to build the relationships. And, you know, ultimately you got to find the right deal, the right house, you know, that's going to fit your business model. So if I had to say, yeah, most definitely. The estimation was about $35,000. Some people get it cheaper. Some people obviously pay general contractors to get it for more. But that middle ground is somewhere about $35,000 to redo the entire house and maybe blow out some walls. But as you can see, everybody does it a little bit different. I don't think that's really a question. Everybody loves to make money. If I'm selling them a deal or if I'm doing a deal the other way around, both of us are going to make money somehow. I mean, there's a bunch of things. I really think it goes back to being energetic and saying this is what I'm going to do and then turning around and doing it. A lot of people take that for granted and think that, once they get past one part of it, that it's over. It's not. And just keeping your head down and moving forward and still enjoying the time doing it. I think that's what I had to pull from what he's shown. I personally started in college. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I guess it was a similar type situation that Keith was having. I wanted to be in something that touched everything. Business was the first thing. Money touches everything. And then I started thinking a little bit deeper. Investments touches everything, and so does real estate. So figuring out how to run deals and how the real estate actually works and how the numbers are working and things, I think the wholesaler is the key to knowing both sides of the transaction with working the sellers and investors and what they're doing. My ultimate goal is to build a huge portfolio so I don't have to do anything, that I can sit on the beach and just sip pina coladas and look at girls in bikinis. Man, every time I talk to him, he's got something that's new to me, something that I would like to learn more in depth. Obviously, it's a bigger picture than the few things that he's saying here and there. But learning the process, I think he could provide that. He's really unfiltered, so just asking him questions and figuring out exactly how he's doing it, how he's building his team, where he's finding deals and how he does the pricings and everything like that. I think that could be a huge attribute. And I get this personally where people come to me asking me advice about how do I do this, how do I do wholesaling. Investors that are new to it come to me and ask, so I think there's definitely the demand out there. And I think with how Keith runs his things and how he presents himself, I think it'd be easier to be transparent to the common people that don't really know how to get into real estate.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe, because to be honest with you, you can't afford not to. Not only am I here to entertain you, but I'm also here to educate you, man. Please believe. And follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you.